Hey there! Today we're diving into a coding problem that involves using PowerShell to perform a series of replace functions on a variable. The issue at hand revolves around manipulating a regex expression that seeks out specific text within a string, but we want to modify only the first character of the matched text. By keeping our code concise, we aim to accomplish this task efficiently without unnecessary complexity. So, the problem we're tackling here is all about efficiently modifying specific text patterns within a string using PowerShell. Now let's delve into the solution. The key insight here is to utilize the $1 identifier to target the first character of our match. We aim to replace instances where the string contains ins with the first character followed by an additional character. By structuring our regex pattern as character *ins*, we effectively isolate the first character of the match and append our desired character, like adding an exclamation mark. The output reflects this modification accurately. Solution-wise, this approach allows us to precisely manipulate the targeted text within the string, maintaining brevity and effectiveness. In summary, we've addressed a specific problem in PowerShell by focusing on efficiently modifying text patterns within a string. By strategically utilizing regex and PowerShell's replace function, we've achieved the desired outcome of altering the first character of a matched expression. Remember, tweaking code can sometimes be like solving a puzzle, finding the right pieces to fit together. If you enjoyed this tech tip, make sure to subscribe for more coding insights. Leave a like if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tech savvy, folks.